How to share photos or videos to anyone out there, whether they have a Samsung phone, an Android phone, or even an iPhone by creating a link with the Google Photos app. I'll show you how this works and let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have the Google Photos app itself, okay? And then of course, assuming you have those photos stored up in there, whether it's your default gallery app or you have them backed up in it, you want to go ahead now and access those photos. Also, in order to do all this, you have to be signed into your Gmail account, which is going to be signed into your Google Photos one time. Now, from all that there now, you'll look for the photo or videos or perhaps collection of photos that you want to share or send to that person. And the good thing about this is, let's just say I now go ahead, I want to share this photo itself, okay? When I select this photo here, you can do it from here and select multiple photos if you want. Maybe you want to do all 5 of these here. It's up to you. If you want to just send only one, select it and share it from here. You can also go ahead now into that photo itself and find the share option here and share just this photo only or video. When I go to share, this is going to show up now for me. And you'll see the option to create a link and also to other apps instantly. By going into these apps there, that'll take you there, then you'll see your contacts, you can select them and send it to them if you want to do it that way. But if you're using just the regular SMS messages app, and maybe that friend of yours has an iPhone and they can't receive a photo by sending it through regular messages itself, you can do it this way. So you'll now create a link. Once that photo is selected, create a link here, tap on this here. It's gonna say who it is. This is the person you're signed into, and it's going to show you that the link has been created and it is copied for you. Now you can go on your phone itself, and whether you want to do it to the regular messages or what, and then you could go into the messages app, go and find that friend or that contact, just paste that link in the regular messages and send it to them. What's going to happen now when that person receives that link, they'll tap on it, it'll open up and show the photos that you have saved under that particular link. That works perfectly awesome. And it can work with mobile data or Wi-Fi connection if your SMS app allows for the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so like and sub. Thanks for watching.